But see, now dig it. You know, you're talking about this. I was using time as an example. And then if you can't, you know, if you exist inside the context of time, of course it's linear, and of course it's what we think it is. I mean, it's, you know, that's how you're going to see time. But even Einstein grasped time is not real. How did he grasp that? Well, we imagine he worked a lot on physics, right? Because he was a physicist. You know, he probably drew shit on the board and blah, 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 whatever. But more than likely, at some point he stared into it, you know, and made some kind of a breakthrough. Or he just concluded. I don't know. I wasn't there. But the point is, you see, if you can't stare into it, so to speak, in an unprecedented way, then all you get is precedented. You know, all you get is what you got. So you're just stirring the pot of what you already got. You know. And so, regardless what you get. So now, in order to consider, for example, the time thing, right? You'd have to start with at least the possibility time doesn't exist. And you can do that by grasping absolute now, which is doable, at least. I think it's doable. See? In any case, regardless of a breakthrough you might make an absolute now, you can follow the bouncing ball enough to grasp and conclude, duh. It can't exist in time. Right? Can't you? You know? Because absolute now, which is to say now, can't span time. Ergo, can't exist in time. See, it can't be a function of time. We're not talking about nows, you know, we're talking about now. See, and the moment you perceive now, the moment you do anything with now, it's not now anymore. It's not even close to now anymore. See, absolute. So then when you start with freedom, for example, see, then you try to think time outside of time. What is time, et cetera, see? And so you make progress. Now, so it creates a space, so you could do practical things, you see? You could create stuff in the world, you know, that are practical or effective or whatever, you know, in ways that most people cannot.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please consider joining a workshop. They're more powerful than you think.